Alright, hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to do a ripple edit. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. So we're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro right now, and I'm still using all panels. Alright, and here I already have a sequence, nature montage sequence here. So in previous video, we talked about this, selection tool and what are the function of this. Alright, but in this video, we're going to perform this ripple edit tool. There's a little secret here, all right, that you probably need to know. All right, there is like a hidden tools inside of this tool. All right, as you can see, there's there's a triangle on the right corner, bottom right corner of these icons. All right, meaning there's hidden tools inside of those tools. All right, now to access those tools, is all you have to do is to hold down, all right, your mouse, all right, clicking, and then you can access those, track selection forward and track selection backward. All right, so in this way we're going to choose the ripple edit tool. All right, so if you can't see if there's a different icon next to this, tool, or the third icon, if this is not a ripple edit tool, all you have to do is to hold your mouse, all right, click it, just keep holding, and then you can select one of these. All right, in this video we're going to learn how to do a ripple edit tool. All right, so let's release the mouse over there, and now this icon is a ripple edit tool. There's a shortcut. All right, if you hover your mouse, you will see the shortcut, which is letter B for boy. Okay, and then so we are here in the timeline. Okay, we're gonna perform and we're gonna see the difference and how we can do this ripple edit tool. All right, so let's do it. Now, as you can see, all right, when I hover my mouse on in between of the clips, all right, in the clips here, all right, you cannot, by the way, you cannot go here in the middle. All right, it says with the red, no symbol. All right, no symbol. And then you can only do a ripple edit in the side or in between of the clips, right, and in the start of the clip. Okay, as you can see. All right, because what it does is, let's say this clip, all right, we're going to do a ripple edit. All right, see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna drag this to the left. All right, as you can see, I'm just dragging it to the left, and then once I release the mouse, everything follows. All right, all of the video clips next to this clip follows that. So that's the difference of this, unlike before with the selection tool. All right, so let me undo it so that we can see. Unlike here in the selection tool, if you just drag this, all right, with this red icon, if you just drag this and you release your mouse, these videos, all right, next is not following up and closing the gap. All right, so that's the difference between the regular trimming that we talked about before and these ripple edit tool. All right, so let's try to undo it by hitting Command C, and then I'm gonna do one more time the ripple edit tool. All right, ripple edit tool, and then I'm gonna do it on the forward. All right, and see what's gonna happen. So if we're gonna do it right here, all right, and then I'll release it. As you can see, it's snapped there and the edited, but everything follows and snap it to this video. All right. All right, as you can see. All right, let me do it again. Okay, so we have here a clip here, all right, from here to this part. All right, and I'm gonna do a ripple edit tool, or letter B. Okay, so I'm gonna drag it one more time, all right, in the middle. All right, as you can see in the program monitor, you will see the first on this first screen, that is our last frame of our clip on the first video. Okay, and on the second screen, and that is the second video that we're doing the edit. All right, if you look at the timeline, this is our second video on the program monitor, so that you will also see where you're trying to edit it. Okay, so when you do that, if you release it, it will snap here in the first video. All right, and without leaving any gap. All right, so that's how you use this ripple edit tool. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.